Hello, beautiful human. Damir here. I have a question for you. Do you find yourself being in an endless hustle, like constantly grinding, hustling, chasing opportunities, and then it feels like two steps forward and one step back, and you can't really relax properly? You want things to work, and they do work. I'm not saying they don't work, but it's a little bit hard, right? It's there is no flow, or there is some flow, then it stops and it just goes backwards and forwards. You see, it doesn't have to be that way. I know hustling works 100%, but it comes at a cost. To me, in my past and what I've seen on myself, it's a lot of time. There's a lot of stress that goes with it, and if you compare that with the results you get, I don't think it's it's a right match. So I want to share a quick story about a client that I have that I work with. So essentially, man, he made so much money, right? He was being paid commissions in apartments. I think I even mentioned this in some videos before, but always, hustling one client after another, one client after another, clients waiting. Then he had some clients that were owing him 50 grand, right? And then because these clients wouldn't pay him, puts a lot of puts a lot of other things on the stop, and so on and so on. It causes stress and whatnot. Then we've done just two things, two mindset shifts. And the man went from being owed 50 grand from one client to closing another client for 200 grand per month. Okay, man has been in the business for a long time. He's not, a newbie in business, but it's just a mindset shift from hustling to aligning, from hustling to clients or chasing clients to pay him, to put a focus on the clients who want to pay him, who are actually waiting to pay him. So the question for you is, do you want to keep on hustling, or do you want to get realigned? How I like to call it. It's all about inner alignment. I'm not talking here me helping you with some business advice. You know your business. You're confident enough, smart enough, intelligent enough. You know it all. I'm not talking about that. All I'm saying is, if there is a lot of hustle and stress and not so much results as you wanted to, then probably it could be that it's just one thing that's missing, and that's realignment. So, if you want some help with that, or if you want to know more, or how that could work for you, then please let me know. If not, that's okay too. Keep on hustling. If that's your thing, nothing wrong with it. To me, just simply too stressful. For you, might be good, might be great, but I found again that life can be much easier with less hustle. Hey, but that's just my way. I'm not saying it's yours. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video or something like that. Bye bye.